How does a company go from teetering on the brink of bankruptcy to becoming a trillion-dollar titan? This is a question that takes us on an incredible journey, one that starts with a man named Jensen Huang. Born into a family of modest means in Taiwan, young Jensen was a curious and focused child. His passion for understanding how things work set him on a path that would ultimately lead him to the world of technology. After moving to the United States, he pursued his education with a fiery tenacity, earning a degree in electrical engineering from Oregon State University, and later a master's degree from Stanford. But education was only the beginning for Jensen. His real journey began in 1993 when he, along with two other Silicon Valley engineers, founded NVIDIA. The name NVIDIA, derived from a Latin word meaning envy, was a reflection of the founders' desire to create products that others would aspire to have. From the get-go, NVIDIA had a clear focus: to create graphics chips for gaming. This was a time when the gaming industry was in its early stages, and the concept of a dedicated graphics chip was still a novelty. But Jensen, always one to see the potential in things, believed that gaming was the future. He saw the possibility of creating a more immersive and realistic gaming experience through powerful graphics chips. And so, NVIDIA began its journey, creating graphics chips that would revolutionize the gaming world. The company's first product, the NV1, was launched in 1995, and it was a significant step towards achieving their vision. But as we all know, the road to success is rarely a straight and easy one. But as often happens in business, the path to success was not without its trials and tribulations. As we delve further into NVIDIA's story, we'll see how this company navigated its way through challenges, setbacks, and near bankruptcy to become the powerhouse it is today. Stay with us as we explore the incredible journey of NVIDIA, a company that began with a vision and turned it into a trillion-dollar reality. In the early 2000s, NVIDIA found itself in a precarious position. The tech giant we know today was then teetering on the edge of a financial abyss. The turn of the millennium brought with it a slew of challenges for NVIDIA. Stiff competition, a volatile market, and thinning profit margins all conspired to push the company to the brink. The financial struggles were real and daunting. The balance sheets were awash with red, and the numbers painted a grim picture. The company's financial health was deteriorating, and bankruptcy loomed large. The threat was not just to the company itself, but also to its dedicated employees and the dreams of its bold founders. Yet, it was during these times of struggle that the mettle of NVIDIA's leadership was truly tested. Jensen Huang, the company's founder, stood at the helm, undeterred by the stormy seas. Huang, a visionary in his own right, was not one to shy away from risks. He believed that innovation was the lifeline NVIDIA needed to survive and thrive. Despite the dire financial situation, Huang and his team made a crucial decision. They chose to invest heavily in research and development. It was a gamble, a high-stake bet placed on the future of technology. The decision was met with skepticism and even disbelief. Critics were quick to question the wisdom of pouring money into research when the company was barely staying afloat, but Huang was not deterred. He saw the potential in the burgeoning field of graphics processing units, or GPUs. He believed that these powerful processors could revolutionize the world of computing. And so, even as bankruptcy threatened, NVIDIA poured its dwindling resources into the development of advanced GPUs. With the company on the verge of bankruptcy, it seemed like the end was near for NVIDIA. But as we know, this was far from the end. The company's audacious bet on research and development would soon yield results, setting the stage for a remarkable turnaround. But that's a story for the next scene. The turning point for NVIDIA came in the mid-2000s. In the throes of financial struggle, NVIDIA was in dire need of a breakthrough, and that breakthrough arrived in 2004 with the release of the GeForce 6 series. This wasn't just a new product, it was a beacon of hope, a lifeline for a company teetering on the edge of oblivion. The GeForce 6 series was a major success, and its launch marked a resurgence for NVIDIA, helping the company regain its footing. But this was more than just a comeback. It was a testament to the persistence and grit of NVIDIA's team, a validation of their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what was possible in the realm of graphics processing. The GeForce 6 series, with its revolutionary technology, set a new standard in the industry, heralding a new era of visual computing. But the turning point was not just about a singular product success. It was also about a strategic decision, a pivot that would change the course of NVIDIA's future. In a move that was considered risky at the time, NVIDIA's founder, Jensen Huang, decided to venture into parallel computing and artificial intelligence. This was no small decision. It was a gamble, a leap of faith. At a time when AI was still in its infancy, Huang saw the potential of parallel computing to drive the next wave of technological innovation. He believed that GPUs, originally designed for rendering graphics, could be repurposed for performing complex calculations, a critical requirement in AI and machine learning. This strategic pivot was a game-changer. It set the stage for NVIDIA's future growth, opening up new opportunities and markets that were previously untapped. From powering supercomputers to enabling self-driving cars, NVIDIA's GPUs became an integral part of the AI revolution, a testament to Huang's foresight and vision. Little did anyone know these decisions would propel NVIDIA to heights unimaginable. So, how did a company on the brink of bankruptcy become a trillion-dollar powerhouse? The early 2010s marked a pivotal era for NVIDIA. With a shift of focus towards artificial intelligence and deep learning, the company began to redefine its identity and its place in the tech world. This wasn't merely a sidestep into a trendy tech field. NVIDIA was determined to revolutionize these domains, and revolutionize they did. NVIDIA's innovations in AI and deep learning were groundbreaking. They didn't just make waves, they created tsunamis that rippled across multiple industries. In the healthcare sector, for instance, NVIDIA's technology enabled more efficient disease detection and improved patient care. In the automotive industry, their deep learning tech played a crucial role in propelling the development of autonomous vehicles. But perhaps the most notable impact was felt in the gaming world, a realm NVIDIA had always held dear. Deep learning allowed for more lifelike graphics and immersive gaming experiences, securing NVIDIA's place in the hearts of gamers worldwide. This strategic pivot to AI and deep learning wasn't just about technological innovation, it was a savvy business move that paid off in spades. In less than a decade, NVIDIA's market value skyrocketed. By the late 2010s, the company was worth hundreds of billions of dollars, and by the dawn of the 2020s, NVIDIA had ascended into the exclusive club of trillion-dollar companies. But the financial figures only tell a part of the story. The true measure of NVIDIA's success lies in the profound impact it has had on our world. From enabling life-saving medical diagnoses to powering the games that entertain millions, NVIDIA's rise to a trillion-dollar company is a story of innovation, perseverance, and strategic genius. The story of NVIDIA is a testament to the power of innovation and strategic decision-making. But what about the man behind it all, Jensen Huang? As we delve into the legacy of this remarkable individual, we find a leader who steered NVIDIA through its darkest times, demonstrating resilience and an unyielding belief in his vision. Jensen Huang, the son of a small business owner, has proven himself to be a true titan of the tech industry. Huang is a visionary who foresaw the potential of artificial intelligence and deep learning long before they became the buzzwords they are today. Under his leadership, NVIDIA pivoted from being a gaming-focused company to a leader in AI technologies, a move that played a pivotal role in the company's revival and subsequent success. But Huang's genius doesn't just lie in his ability to predict tech trends. He is also known for his unique approach to leadership. He's often compared to a captain steering a ship through a storm, calm and composed, with a clear vision of the path ahead. A testament to his leadership and vision, Huang was named Fortune's Business Person of the Year in 2017, a recognition that further cemented his place among the giants of the tech world. This honor didn't just come from his ability to turn a company around, but also from his knack for innovation and his contribution to the world of technology. Huang's legacy is not just about the success of NVIDIA, but also about the impact he has had on the tech industry as a whole. He's a trailblazer who has pushed the boundaries of what's possible and inspired countless others to do the same. His story serves as a powerful reminder that success is not just about having a great idea, but also about having the courage to stick with it, even when the odds are stacked against you. It's about resilience, innovation, and the ability to dream big. From the brink of bankruptcy to a trillion-dollar company, the journey of NVIDIA and its founder is truly a story of resilience, innovation, and visionary leadership.